Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to show the latest blog posts on your website homepage in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website where you want to show the latest blog post on, click on this edit website button. This is my website homepage in Hostinger website builder, and to show the latest blog posts on, it's simple. Just hover between two sections in order to see this button called add section. Click on it. This new window pops up. Here select blog from this menu. These are the latest or the blog section templates that you can choose from. Let's select this third one. After clicking on it, you will see, or it will be automatically added between your two sections. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Between your two sections, creating a new blog post section. After adding this blog post section, click on update website to publish this change. Let's view my website live, and these are my latest blog posts on my website homepage. Let's open this blog post. This is it, and this is the home page. Now let's see how to edit this blog post section. Select it like that. Click on edit blog list. Here you can show how many posts you can show per page. You can also edit the number of columns. This makes your blog post images look bigger. Also, the gap between the columns, top and bottom padding of this section. From style, you can select a dark or light text colors. This depends on your section background. You can also edit the blog post titles text size, and here you can show or hide your blog post elements. For example, title, featured image, description, date published, post categories, and also the author, and this reading time, this one. From the posts page, you can only show some posts. Select which categories you would like to show posts from. Here I don't have post categories or blog post categories on this online store on this website, so I can't use this feature. Let's jump to the background. Here you can edit this background or this section background color. You can even use an image as this section background or even a video. And this is how to show the latest blog posts on the homepage in Hostinger. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.